YouTube title: Your Gut is Running Your Brain, the Gut-Brain Axis Explained. Duration target: 8 to 10 minutes. Tags: gut health, gut-brain axis, microbiome, mental health, serotonin, vagus nerve, science. Your brain gets all the credit. But there is a second nervous system living inside your gut, 500 million neurons lining your digestive tract from your esophagus to your intestines. Scientists call it the enteric nervous system. Most people have never heard of it. And it is quietly running your mood, your focus, and your immune system every single day. Your gut and brain talk constantly. The main communication line is the vagus nerve, a massive nerve that runs from your brainstem down into your abdomen. What most people assume is a one-way street, brain sending orders to gut, is actually the opposite. About 80 to 90% of signals on the vagus nerve travel from the gut to the brain. Your gut is talking to your brain more than your brain talks back. You have probably heard serotonin called the happiness chemical. What you probably did not know is that roughly 90% of your body's serotonin is produced in your gut, not your brain. The bacteria in your gut microbiome directly influence how much serotonin gets made. When your gut bacteria are disrupted, your serotonin production drops. Low serotonin is linked to depression, anxiety, and poor sleep. This is not a coincidence. Inside your gut live trillions of bacteria, fungi, and viruses, collectively your microbiome. They weigh about 2 kilograms. And they directly regulate your HPA axis, the hormonal system responsible for your stress and cortisol response. Studies show that germ-free mice with no gut bacteria have an exaggerated stress response. When researchers introduce specific bacteria strains, stress reactivity drops. Your microbiome is literally calibrating how stressed you get. 3 things wreck this system faster than anything else. First, ultra-processed food. It starves the beneficial bacteria and feeds pathogenic strains, disrupting the chemical signals sent to your brain. Second, chronic antibiotic use. One course of antibiotics can disrupt gut microbiome diversity for up to a year. Third, chronic stress itself. This creates a feedback loop where stress damages the gut lining, which sends distress signals to the brain, causing more stress. Breaking that cycle is one of the most important things you can do for mental health. The science on gut repair is clearer than most people realize. Fermented foods, kimchi, kefir, plain yogurt, sauerkraut, directly increase microbial diversity within weeks. Prebiotic fiber from garlic, oats, and green bananas feeds the beneficial strains. Fasting windows give the gut lining time to repair through a process called autophagy. And diaphragmatic breathing directly activates the vagus nerve, slowing heart rate, reducing cortisol, and strengthening the gut-brain signal within minutes. Your gut is not just digesting food. It is producing neurotransmitters, regulating stress hormones, training your immune system, and sending a constant stream of information to your brain. The mental health crisis and the gut health crisis are not separate problems. They are the same problem. Feed the gut. Activate the nerve. The brain will follow.